Over possible contact 12 o'clock.
What?
Possible contact 12 o'clock.
We've got thermal coming through. Is it thermal?
I've got nothing in front of you.
Nothing. Alright. I'm gonna keep moving then.
There's quite dense up there too, so if he's behind enough cover it won't show.
Alright. We keep moving then.
Otherwise it'll be hot like that.
Yep.
Who fired that shot?
Did you fire that, Jamie? Yeah. Oh yeah, James.
Where are they? Yep, it's behind this tree. Oh no! My battery died. Oh, got the trigger.
Are we killing them or are we capturing them? Because I can see them right in front of me.
Ah, I think my thing died.
But this is what the tree is.
Yeah, like
Are we killing them or capturing them?
Killing. Are you hit, Craig? Yeah. That's old Daddy down. Alright, let's find Epstein.
I've got a dead trigger. I think my battery might have died.
I think I know where he is. Sorry for the overshooting, Craig.
No, you're good, bro.
Did I get more than one on you, or?
Just one, bro.
Okay, sweet. The bush captured.
Just in the shoulder, just one.
So
Come
that's
on.
all clear. We are certain. There's a rock like streak down there.
I have to get back to spawn. See if I can fix this.